What if your next big opportunity came with expert support, direct access to decision makers, and it was completely free? Introducing the Port of Seattle Business Accelerator, a hands-on growth program for small, diverse, women, and minority-owned businesses in construction, engineering, energy, and related sectors. This is more than just business training. It's mentorship, strategy, and connection, custom-built to help you scale and compete for major public contracts. Learn from port insiders and industry experts. Strengthen pricing, systems, and operations. Network with like-minded business owners. Prepare for real contracting opportunities. Business owners like Sharon Maxwell of Bratton Construction call it a game changer, revitalizing vision and opening new doors after decades in the industry. And leaders like Marcus Cola with Apex Electrical learn to own their value and chart a path to long-term growth. Applications are open through June 30th. The program runs September to December in the Seattle metro area. Ready to build what's next for your business and your community? Apply now at nwmsdc.org/port.